Sleep. It's something we all need, yet often take for granted. We all do it. Animals do it. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, sleep is a universal need. Even plants do it in their own way. They close up or slow down their processes at night. Sleep is like recharging your batteries. Just like your phone needs to be charged, your body needs sleep to function properly. When you sleep, your body and brain can rest and repair themselves. This is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. This helps you grow and stay healthy. For children, sleep is especially important for growth and development. Sleep also helps your brain learn and remember things. It consolidates your memories and processes information from the day. Think of it as downloading information while you sleep. Your brain is busy organizing and storing data. Ever notice how you can solve a problem better after a good night's rest? That's because your brain has had time to process and rejuvenate. That's your brain working for you. It's like having a personal assistant that organizes your thoughts and ideas. Sleep is also important for your immune system, which helps you fight off those nasty germs that make you sick. Without enough sleep, your body is more susceptible to illness. So, make sleep a priority. Your body, brain, and overall health will thank you for it. Sleep isn't just one long nap, it's a cycle of different stages. Think of it like riding a roller coaster with its ups and downs. These stages are divided into two main types: non-REM sleep and REM sleep. You cycle through these stages several times throughout the night. Non-REM sleep has 3 stages, each deeper than the last. This is like going down a flight of stairs. REM sleep is where your dreams take center stage. Non-REM sleep is all about rest and repair. It's a crucial part of our sleep cycle that allows our bodies to rejuvenate and prepare for the day ahead. Stage 1 is light sleep. You might feel like you're drifting off, and you can easily wake up. This stage is like a transition between being awake and falling asleep. Your body starts to relax, and your brainwaves begin to slow down. Your muscles relax, and your breathing slows down. This is the beginning of your body entering a more restful state. It's a gentle descent into deeper sleep. Stage 2 is a deeper sleep. Your heart rate and body temperature drop. This stage is essential for feeling refreshed in the morning. It's harder to wake up during this stage, and your body is preparing for the deepest sleep. Stage 3 is the deepest sleep. It's hard to wake someone up in this stage. This is when your body is in its most restorative phase, allowing for maximum recovery and healing. This is when your body repairs tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens your immune system. It's a critical time for physical recovery and overall health. It's like your body is a car getting a tune-up overnight. Just as a car needs regular maintenance to run smoothly, your body needs this deep sleep to function at its best. REM sleep, recharging your mind. After non-REM sleep, you enter REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. Your eyes move quickly from side to side even though they're closed. This is when you have vivid dreams. Think of it as your brain throwing a party for your thoughts. REM sleep is important for learning and memory. It's like your brain is organizing all the information it learned during the day. This stage is also important for your mood and emotional health. Tips for a good night's sleep. Now that you know how important sleep is, here are some tips for a good night's rest. Quality sleep is essential for maintaining your overall health and well-being. It helps improve your mood, boosts your immune system, and enhances cognitive function. Try to go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends. Consistency reinforces your body's sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. This helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. A regular schedule can also help you feel more refreshed and energized throughout the day. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. A comfortable sleep environment is crucial for uninterrupted rest. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine if needed. Avoid screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. The blue light from screens can interfere with your sleep. Try to turn off all electronic devices at least an hour before bedtime to help your body wind down. Instead, try reading a book or taking a warm bath. These activities can help relax your mind and body, making it easier to drift off to sleep. Most importantly, listen to your body. Pay attention to your natural sleep signals, such as yawning or feeling drowsy.